have a statement which says 3x plus 2 and x minus 7 are equal. Let us write it in the form of an equation. Now we have two expressions, that is 3x plus 2 equals x minus 7, which is in the form of an equation. So here 3x plus 2 and x minus 7 are binomial expression with the degree of x as 1. Before solving the value of x, let us learn few things about this equation. The terms before equal sign are called left hand side and the terms after equal sign are called right hand side. So to solve an equation, we are going to equate left hand side as well as right hand side. Let us find the value of x by transposing term. What is transposing term? Transpose the terms containing the variable to one side and the constant on the other side. Now we have variable, that is 3x and x here. So let us transpose the variable to one side, that is left hand side, and the constant terms. Now the constant term which is towards the left hand side, we will transpose towards right hand side to find the value of x. On transposing, the sign of the terms changes. Now when we are transposing x term towards left hand side, it becomes minus x. And here we are transposing plus 2 on the right hand side, so it becomes minus 2. So we get 3x minus x is 2x and minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. Now we have an equation, that is 2x is equal to minus 9. In this equation, if a term in multiplication, now 2 and x are in multiplication form. So when in multiplication is transposed to the other side, its sign is reversed. It goes on division. So x is equal to minus 9 by 2. The term which was in multiplication will become into division when it is transposed to the other side. To find the value of variable, there are few things we need to remember. If a positive term is transposed to the other side, then the term becomes negative. Here we have an equation which says x plus 3 is equal to 6. So when we are transposing plus 3 to the other side, it becomes minus 3. So we have x is equal to 6 minus 3. On solving, we have x is equal to 3. Now our second point is, if a negative term is transposed to the other side, then the term becomes positive. Now we have an equation which says x minus 3 is equal to 6. So we are going to transpose minus 3 to right hand side. On transposing, minus 3 will become plus 3. So x is equal to 6 plus 3, x is equal to 9. If a term in multiplication is transposed to other side, it goes in division. Here we have 3x is equal to 6. X is multiplied to 3. So when we are transposing this 3 to the other side, it goes in division. So x is equal to 6 by 3, x is equal to 2. Our fourth point is, if a term is in division, it is transposed to the other side in multiplication. Now here we have x divided by 3 is equal to 6. Now when we are transposing 3 to the other side, it goes in multiplication. So x is equal to 6 into 3, x is equal to 18. Let us solve few of the examples based on transposing terms to find the unknown value of x. Okay, we have 8y minus 4y is equal to 20. The variable terms are in the left hand side. So let us start equating this. So 8y minus 4y is 4y is equal to 20. Now since 4 is under multiplication in the left hand side, let us transpose to the right hand side. So on transposing, the multiplication will become division. So y is equal to 20 by 4. Now y is equal to 5. 5y plus 8 is equal to 8y minus 18. We have y terms in the right hand side. So let us transpose y term towards left hand side. So and transposing, we have plus 8y as minus 8y. So 5y minus 8y is equal to minus 18. So now we will transpose this constant plus 8 on the right hand side, so it becomes minus 8. So 5y minus 8y is minus 3y is equal to minus 18 is minus 26. Now we have 3 under multiplication with y, so we will transpose this y 3 towards right hand side. So we will get minus 26 by minus 3. So y is equal to 26 by 3. 9 plus m is equal to 6m plus 8 minus m. So we just write 9 plus m as it is and group 6m minus m together plus 8. Now 9 plus m is equal to 6m minus m. Here m is 1m. So 6m minus 1m is 5m plus 8. Our next step is to transpose the variable in the left hand side and constant towards the right hand side. So we have m minus 5m is equal to 8 minus 9. So 9 has become minus 9 when on transpose. So m minus 5m will be minus 4m is equal to minus 1. Therefore m is equal to minus 1 by minus 4. M is equal to 1 by 4. 4x minus 5x plus 2x is equal to 28 plus 3x. So first let us solve on left hand side before transposing. So 4x minus 5x will become minus x plus 2x is equal to 28 plus 3x. Now minus x plus 2x will become x is equal to 28 plus 3x. Now we have x term on the right hand side, so let us transpose on left hand side. So x minus 3x is equal to 28. So x minus 3x is minus 2x is equal to 28. Now this is under multiplication, minus 2. So on transposing, that comes under division. So 28 divided by minus 2, x is equal to 28 divided by minus 2 is minus 14. 7 plus 4x is equal to 9x minus 13. We have mixed form on both the sides. So the constant and variables are mixed. So let us transpose now all the variables towards left hand side. So we have 4x minus 9x is equal to minus 13, and 7 will transpose to the right hand side, so it becomes minus 7. 4x minus 9x is minus 5x because 9 is greater is equal to minus 13 minus 7 is minus 20. Now 5 is under multiplication, so on transposing 5 will become under division. So minus 20 by minus 5, so x is equal to 4. 5 by x plus 2x is equal to 30. Okay. Now since we have 2x, let us write it as 2x by 1. And now we have to take LCM of 5 and 1. LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. So x into 1 by 5 into 1 plus 2x into 5 divided by 1 into 5 is equal to 30. So we have x into 1 is x divided by 5 plus 2x into 5 is 10x by 5 is equal to 30. Now since we have like denominators, so we will add the numerator. X plus 10x the whole divided by 5 is equal to 30. So x plus 10x is 1x plus 10x, that is 11x by 5 is equal to 30. Now remember, this 5 is under division. So on transposing, 5 will be under multiplication. So 11x is equal to 30 into 5. And this 11 is under multiplication. So on transposing, it becomes under division. Divided by 11. So x is equal to 150 by 11. 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 35. Now left hand side is in the fraction form, wherein we have unlike denominators. So first let us convert into like denominator. Okay, for that we need to take LCM. So when we take LCM for 3 and 5, we get 15 as LCM. Okay, so 2p by 3. For 3 to become 15, we need to multiply by 5. And same way we are multiplying numerator with 5. Minus, for 5 to become 15, we need to multiply by 3. Similarly, we are multiplying for numerator, is equal to 35. Now 2p into 5 is 10p by 15 minus p into 3 is 3p by 15 is equal to 35. So now we have like denominator. So we will simplify the numerator. 10p minus 3p is divided by 15 is equal to 35. Now 10p minus 3p is 7p by 15 is equal to 35. Now we have 15 which is under division. So let us transpose. So on transposing it becomes under multiplication. So 35 into 15. Okay, now so 7 here is under multiplication. So let us transpose. So it becomes under division, right? Now p is equal to, let us simplify further. So 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. So we have 5 into 15, that is 75. Therefore the value of p is 75. 15 minus 2 into 5 minus 3x is equal to 4 of x minus 3 plus 3. So first thing what you have to do is, let us write 15 as it is and multiply 2 with this term. So 2 into 5 is 10 minus 2 into minus 3x is plus 6x is equal to 4 you are multiplying with x, so it is 4x. 4 you are multiplying with minus 3, it is minus 12 plus 3. Now 15 minus 10 is 5 plus 6x is equal to 4x, and minus 12 plus 3 is minus 9. Now our next step is to transpose x terms towards left hand side. So 6x minus 4x is equal to minus 9. Will transpose plus 5 and it becomes minus 5. So 6x minus 4x is 2x is equal to minus 9 minus 5 is minus 14. X is equal to minus 14 by 2. X is equal to minus 7.